Yo guys, Ashiriyakal, Namaste and what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all doing well and all you guys having amazing Saturday so far. So I'm back with brand new video regarding Gods of Boom, and in this video I will show you the gameplay me rushing, as well as I will give some valuable tips how you can improve your rushing gameplay, and if you are not rusher then how you can rush. So like uh, 5 to 6 months ago I was a official rusher. I like to play with scout, but after that I don't rush too much nowadays especially, but I still like to rush a bit. So I will show you the some tips or like some game situation how you can change your style and how you can flank the enemies or how you have to play if you are rusher. So let me show you the gameplay. So let me collect my rewards here, and after that I will show you my gameplay. So this is the last one and here we go. So this is the capture point, subway station I think the name of this map, and I will use scout plus Orion combo with the cheetah pants and dark stalker. Yeah, dark stalker I'm using on a head. So you will see. So there are few ways how you can rush. So as you can see, I'm not going straight to the point, although I have scout, but I'm not going straight to the point. So let me just see where are the enemies first. So you can go to two ways, like first you can straight go to the point if you have scout, and second thing, if your friends already captured then you have to flank. So I will show now my friend already captured, so now I will flank them. So let me just show you. So here we go, we got two double kills here, and so let me just reload and let me just capture the point. So here we captured, and now just gonna hide somewhere so that whenever opponents come they don't know me. So here you can see they came and they don't know me where I am. So unfortunately I got shot by Barracuda. So let me just again show you. So this time you can see my friend is already capturing. So I was playing solo, so my teammate I can say my is capturing. So now I will stay here because I don't need to go to point, because no opponent is coming towards the point to capture it. So that's why you have to just stay here. So let me just flank. Now I will stay here and I will wait until someone come. Don't just go every time and just die. Don't do that. On now you can see one opponent came there and now I flanked them. So again someone come and again we got the kill. So this is how you rush. And if you talk about the best gun for rushing, then Orion and plus that Dolores and Bear Trap, these three guns are very good for rushing. And Joker is also good gun, and Berserker is top gun as you know, but I don't have Berserker and I don't like to use that also. I can buy that, but I am not buying that because you know it's gonna nerf soon. So again you will see here opponent come and again they caught by me. So this is the thing, whenever you rush with scout always know where you have to go. So again my friend captured it and now I will again flank them. So I will wait here, see one opponent again come and again we got double kill, or maybe we got triple, no. So this is the thing, if you are trying to be a rusher then use these tips, like don't go always towards the point or towards the enemy team. Know where your position, know where you like what you have to do. For example, as I showed, when I don't have to rush I just stand there with scout and let the opponents come to the point then kill them. So in a second gameplay I will show you another example. So in this video I will basically do the commentary for whole game. So let me just hop into second battle. So here we go, and this is gonna be I think again capture point. Yeah, this is the capture point. So this is the 3-point capture map, so you will understand better here. So let just game start. So now again you will see, so some guys do the mistake like they always go for the point first. Don't go for the point first because enemy teams may have that eye, so always listen to the eye. So again I flank them and I will get to double kill here. So here we go. So now you will see my teammate is already capturing, so I will go to the second point because I am a rusher. So my duty is killed as many as I can possible, like kill the opponents. So now I will like hide somewhere, so let the opponent come. So here they come, and so again we will get double kill. So here we go. So this is the thing, don't go straight to the point and don't go straight to your opponents. Always trying to like hide somewhere, like, or if you are captured point already, then hide somewhere. Don't rush to the next point. So here you will see example here. Let me just capture the point B. So here we captured point B, and now I will stay here. So I will let the opponents come, I will not come to there. So see, again someone is come. So unfortunately I don't get the kill, but still I provided that assist which needed there. So this is the thing. So this is the basic things. Like first tip which I gave to you guys is that always think about the game. If you are going for a capturing point, or if you playing normal TDM match, don't always rush with like always not go to straight to the base of your opponents. First let the opponent come to you, or try to, like, if your two enemies are if your two friends are on B point, then try to come over other side. Like if they are standing left side, then try to come from the right side. So this is the thing, and so these are the some tips you can, like, I hope you learn something from these tips. And again someone come and I got killed again. So this is the thing. So if you are rushing on, especially on these maps, just try to kill many people as you can, so your teammate will capture and you can just kill the enemies. And I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and if you do, make sure to leave a like on this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn that notification bell on. And I will catch you in the next video. So stay safe guys and enjoy your life.
Point A captured. Point C is under attack. The enemy captured point C. Captured. Point A is under attack. The enemy captured point A. Perfect aim. Double elimination. Perfect aim. Point A captured. Point B is under attack. Point A is under attack. The enemy captured point A. The enemy captured point B. Assist.